It's time to spice things up and add some excitement to your daily cuppa. And no, I'm not talking about some fancy tea from a far-off land. I'm talking about the humble hibiscus tea. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hibiscus tea. What's so special about it? Well, my friend, let me tell you that hibiscus tea is not just a pretty flower. It's a superfood in disguise. And in this video, I am going to explore the 7 amazing benefits of hibiscus tea that you probably didn't know about. Get ready to have your mind blown because hibiscus tea is a powerhouse of goodness. From reducing your blood pressure to promoting weight loss, hibiscus tea has got it all. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn why hibiscus tea is the next big thing in the world of wellness. Intrigued? You should be. So, let's not waste any more time and dive right in to discover the amazing benefits of hibiscus tea. By the way, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Firstly, benefits of hibiscus tea. Number 1. Lower blood pressure. Did you know that hibiscus tea can lower your blood pressure? That's right. According to recent studies, drinking hibiscus tea can significantly reduce systolic blood pressure. It's all thanks to the flavonoids present in the tea, which help to relax the blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow. Number 2. Boost immune system. Winter is coming, and with it, cold and flu season. But fear not. Hibiscus tea can help boost your immune system, making you less susceptible to those pesky viruses. It's packed with antioxidants that help to fight off free radicals and protect your cells from damage. Number 3. Aid digestion. Are you struggling with digestive issues? Hibiscus tea may be the answer you've been looking for. It's been known to soothe the digestive tract, reducing inflammation and helping to regulate bowel movements. Plus, it's a natural diuretic, which means it can help flush out toxins from your body. Number 4. Anti-cancer properties. Yes, you read that right. Hibiscus tea has been found to have anti-cancer properties. The anthocyanins present in the tea have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in vitro. Of course, more research needs to be done to confirm these findings, but it's certainly promising. Number 5. Promotes weight loss. Are you trying to shed a few pounds? Hibiscus tea may be the answer. Studies have shown that tea can help to reduce body weight and body fat. It works by inhibiting the production of amylase, an enzyme that breaks down carbohydrates, which can lead to weight gain. Number 6. Improves skin health. Do you suffer from acne or other skin conditions? Hibiscus tea may be just what you need to improve your skin health. It's rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives your skin its elasticity, and as we age, our bodies produce less of it. Drinking hibiscus tea can help to promote collagen production, leading to healthier, more youthful-looking skin. Number 7. Reduces anxiety and depression. Last but not least, hibiscus tea can help to reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. It's been known to have a calming effect on the body, helping to reduce stress and promote relaxation. So the next time you're feeling anxious or down, brew yourself a cup of hibiscus tea and let its soothing properties do their magic. Secondly, practical tips. Now that you know all the amazing benefits of hibiscus tea, here are 3 practical tips to help you incorporate it into your daily routine. 1. Brew it hot or cold. Hibiscus tea can be enjoyed hot or cold, so experiment and find your preferred way of drinking it. 2. Add some flavor. If you find the taste of hibiscus tea a little too tart, add some honey or stevia to sweeten it up. You can also add some lemon or lime for a little extra zing. 3. Make it a daily habit. To truly reap the benefits of hibiscus tea, whether you're looking to lower your blood pressure, improve your skin health, or just add a little excitement to your tea routine, a daily cup of hibiscus tea is the way to go. And there you have it, folks. 7 amazing benefits of hibiscus tea that you probably didn't know about. So next time you're at the grocery store, grab yourself a pack of hibiscus tea and start enjoying all the goodness it has to offer. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. In conclusion, hibiscus tea is more than just a pretty flower. It's a superfood that can improve your health in so many ways. From reducing your blood pressure to promoting weight loss, hibiscus tea has got you covered. So go ahead, give it a try, and let us know in the comments how it's working for you. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, so they can reap the benefits too. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and keep sipping on that hibiscus tea. I hope you enjoyed this video. So, even after what you've learned, but still can't get it, no problem, because this video here has everything you need. Check it out now and crack that code and get all the information you need.